pages. Welcome to Web App to Convert Colored Images to Coloring Pages. The perfect solution for anyone looking for a quick and easy way to convert colored images to coloring pages. This app is specially designed for individuals who work on designing coloring books, whether for personal or commercial publishing, such as Amazon KDP Park. This app aims to facilitate the process and achieve higher productivity in a very short time. Çaktarf. Application features. 1. Simple and attractive user interface. Easy-to-use interface allows you to upload images and start converting in a few steps. 2. Fast and accurate conversion process. The app uses innovative techniques to convert images to coloring drawings, making the result professional and printable. 3. Various file support. The app supports multiple image formats such as JPEG, PNG, and others. 4th. Direct download button. After converting the image, you can download it directly in high quality to use in your projects. 5. Responsive design. The app works seamlessly on all devices, including smartphones, tablets, and computers. Number 7. How does the app work? 1. Upload the image you want to convert using the Choose File button. 2. Wait a few seconds while the app processes the image. 3. Once done, you can download the image as a ready-to-use coloring file. Beer. Benefits of the app. Saves time and effort for people working on designing coloring books. Allows individuals to focus on creativity instead of getting bogged down with complex technical processes. Ideal for publishers using Amazon KDP to publish their books. Spelök. Invitation to contribute to the development of the app. I, the creator of this app, am always striving to improve and develop it to be more efficient and easy to use. If you like the app and would like to support me to continue developing it, you can send your contribution via the USDT TRC20 address in the page description. All your support is a great motivation for me to continue working and provide the best for everyone. Thank you very much for trusting this application, and I hope it will be a useful tool for you in your creative projects.